What's going on, guys? Let's do a quick market breakdown for this week. First of all, for euro dollar, I'm expecting more downside, so I'm expecting a pullback back to the downside, now mainly because we already took out liquidity in here from these highs, and we are currently located in supply. Now on the 50-minute, it doesn't look very clear, like we got like a minor supply zone, but mainly I will be watching for some shorts on euro US dollar. Now if we go to the DXY, we can also see a similar scenario. We already took out the lows from our previous I think it was even yearly low. Probably the yearly low in here has been taken out, and also in this one, and currently we are back in an older value of demand now, because we already have such overextended moves, and there are already a lot of retail traders shorting the dollar and buying US dollar and pairs like that. It would make sense for me to see a further pullback back to the upside for the dollar pair, at least take out the highs in there and move back in this area and there. So that's mainly what I will be watching for this week. Now going over to GBPUSD dollar, similar scenario. We got a large rally to the upside, a lot of retail longs currently, and we are back in a supply zone. So right now it would make sense also for GBPUSD dollar to make a further pullback back to the downside, and we can start looking for some shorts. Now also on the 15-minute, it doesn't look very clear. We got a minor supply zone up there, but I will be watching these zones to see if I can get like a breakout trade, not necessarily a retest trade, but more if he can get a retest and then a breakout, then I will start trading it. And that's mainly what I'll be watching. Now for NZDUSD dollar, we also see a similar scenario, currently inside of supply, and some shorts might look good. Now on AUDUSD dollar, it doesn't look very clear, like it is the least clear one of them all, because we already have this supply zone in here. Now we have a double top also with this for our high in there, and overall the structure is just in a range. So currently we are back at the top of the range, so also on the AUDUSD dollar we might see a pullback, but I think there are better pairs to trade right now, pairs that are more clean, like GBPUSD dollar for example. And that's it. Going to gold real quick. Now we could see a similar scenario on gold. We are currently still very bullish, so anything can still happen. We got this trend line in here, and if the DXY starts making an up move, then gold can also start dropping. So I will be keeping an eye on this trend line right now to see if price can hopefully get back to our demand zone in there, and from here we can scoop up some longs again to ride it back to the upside. But yeah, right now on the 50-minute, 1 hour, we got like minor zones in there, but not really very strong supply zones. So I really want to see these lows and everything being taken out, or price taking out the highs in there and taking out this high in there, making another all-time high and continuing from there. But that's something I want to see. I don't really want to trade it right now, mainly because the dollar could make a very strong up move. Now that said, going to the Bitcoin real quick. What we're seeing on the Bitcoin is currently price is slowing down a little bit. We are at the 0.75 level of this overall range, and price is just back at the ping pong table, playing ping pong from the highs, like from the start of this year. So currently, yes, we could see a further pullback back to the downside, but I prefer to see these highs being taken out, even these highs being taken out, the price rallying back into, oh no, take the whole zone, rallying back until this supply zone that's like 66k. So I really hope price can go back there, take out the highs, and hopefully make another downward move from there. Now if we go down from here, I will be watching this trend line, but we need to see like this break of structure, everything like that happening before I'm going to turn bearish again. Currently it is bullish, and I'm expecting a little bit more of a upside. So that's it. I'm going to close the video, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Ciao.